Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Schluter Shower Kit is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for DIY enthusiasts and seasoned contractors alike, promising a seamless and waterproof shower installation that stands the test of time. And today we're diving deep into the 38 by 60 model to see if it truly lives up to the hype and delivers the durable, elegant shower space you've been dreaming of. Number 5. Schluter Kerdi 38-inch Off-Center Shower Kit. Introducing a comprehensive shower kit designed for your renovation needs. It includes everything required for a seamless and waterproof installation. The shower tray features an integrated Kerdi waterproofing membrane, ensuring superior protection against moisture. This eliminates the need for additional waterproofing layers. This kit comes with two 38-inch Kerdi board shower curbs, providing a sturdy and reliable base for your shower enclosure. They are designed for easy integration. You'll receive a 108 square foot roll of Kerdi waterproofing membrane, offering ample coverage for your project. This ensures a completely sealed shower area. The package also includes a roll of Kerdi band, a Kerdi drain with a PVC flange, corner pieces, and a pipe seal. All the necessary components for a professional finish are provided. The kit is completed with a stylish brushed nickel anodized drain. Its off-center design offers flexibility in installation and complements any bathroom aesthetic. What we like. This kit features an off-center drain, perfect for specific layout needs. The brushed nickel finish adds a touch of elegance. If you have a unique shower space or prefer a specific aesthetic for your drain, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit is easy to install and the waterproofing is excellent. The drain is very sturdy and the grate is well made. The dimensions are accurate and fit perfectly in my shower. Number 4. Schluter Kerdi 38x 60 Center Shower Kit. Introducing the Schluter Kerdi Center Shower Kit, a comprehensive solution for your bathroom renovation. This kit provides everything you need for a durable and waterproof shower base. The shower tray features integrated Kerdi waterproofing, eliminating the need for traditional sheet membranes. This ensures a reliable and long-lasting waterproof barrier for your shower. Included are two 38-inch Kerdi board shower curbs, designed for straightforward installation. They provide a sturdy and waterproof foundation for your shower's edges. You'll receive a generous 108 square foot roll of Kerdi waterproofing membrane, offering plenty of material for your project. This ensures complete coverage and protection against water damage. The kit also contains essential accessories like Kerdi band, a Kerdi drain with a PVC flange, corner pieces, and a pipe seal. These components ensure a seamless and watertight installation. A high-quality stainless steel drain is included, designed to complement the shower kit. It offers both functionality and a sleek aesthetic for your new shower. What we like. This option comes with a classic center drain and a durable stainless steel finish. It's a versatile choice for most standard shower installations. If you're looking for a reliable, straightforward solution with a timeless look, this kit is ideal. What people say. The kit includes everything needed for a complete shower installation, simplifying the process. The waterproofing membrane is robust and easy to work with, ensuring a leak-free shower. The integrated drain assembly is well designed and provides a clean, professional finish. Number 3. Schluter Kerdi 38-inch Off-Center Shower Kit. Introducing a comprehensive shower kit designed for your convenience. It includes everything you need for a successful installation, right out of the box. The shower tray features an integrated Kerdi waterproofing membrane. This ensures a reliable and long-lasting waterproof barrier for your shower. This kit comes with two 38-inch Kerdi board shower curbs. They provide a sturdy and waterproof foundation for your shower enclosure. You'll receive a generous 108 square foot roll of Kerdi waterproofing membrane. This allows for complete coverage and flexibility in your shower design. Also included are a roll of Kerdi band, a Kerdi drain with a PVC flange, and various sealing accessories. These ensure a watertight finish for all connections. The kit provides specialized seals for pipes and mixing valves. These are crucial for preventing leaks and ensuring the integrity of your shower system. What we like. This kit offers an off-center drain for flexible placement and a sleek stainless steel finish. It also includes an extra mixing valve seal for added protection. If you need flexibility in drain positioning and prioritize enhanced sealing for your shower valve, consider this option. What people say. The kit is easy to install and the waterproofing is excellent. The drain is very sturdy and the grate is well made. The dimensions are accurate and it fits perfectly in my shower. Number 2. Schluter Kerdi 38 Center Drain Shower Kit. Introducing the Schluter Kerdi Shower Kit, your all-in-one solution for a seamless and waterproof shower installation. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a durable and beautiful shower. The shower tray features an integrated Kerdi waterproofing membrane, ensuring superior protection against moisture. This eliminates the need for traditional liquid-applied waterproofing, saving you time and effort. Included are two 38-inch Kerdi board shower curbs, offering a stable and waterproof base for your shower. They are designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. You'll also receive a generous 108 square foot roll of Kerdi waterproofing membrane. This provides ample material for covering larger areas and ensuring complete water protection throughout your shower. The kit is further enhanced with essential accessories like Kerdi band, a Kerdi drain with a PVC flange, and sealing components. These ensure a watertight seal at all transitions and penetrations. Achieve perfect seals with the included inside and outside corners, along with a Kerdi seal pipe seal. These components are crucial for preventing leaks and ensuring the longevity of your shower installation. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of a center drain with the stylish brushed nickel finish. This kit provides a complete waterproofing solution. If you prefer a traditional drain placement and want a drain that complements a modern or sophisticated bathroom design, this is a solid pick. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary components for a complete shower installation, saving time and effort. The waterproofing membrane is pre-applied, which simplifies the installation process and ensures a watertight seal. The drain assembly is integrated into the base, providing a clean and modern look. Number 1. Schluter Kerdi 38 Shower Kit. Introducing the Schluter Kerdi Shower Kit, a comprehensive solution for your showering needs. This kit provides everything you need for a seamless and waterproof installation. The shower tray features an integrated Kerdi waterproofing membrane, ensuring a watertight seal. This eliminates the need for additional waterproofing layers, saving you time and effort. Included are two 38-inch Kerdi board shower curbs, offering a sturdy and reliable base for your shower. They are designed for easy integration with the waterproofing system. You'll receive a generous 108 square foot roll of Kerdi waterproofing membrane, providing ample material for your project. This ensures complete coverage and protection against water damage. The kit also comes with essential accessories like Kerdi band, a Kerdi drain with a PVC flange, corners, and a pipe seal. These components ensure a professional and durable finish. Completing the package is a stylish oil-rubbed bronze drain, adding a touch of elegance to your shower. It's designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. What we like. This kit features a center drain with a distinctive oil-rubbed bronze finish. It offers a complete, integrated waterproofing system. If you're aiming for a specific vintage or rustic aesthetic in your bathroom and want a drain that makes a statement, this is the one to go for. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary components for a complete shower installation, saving time and effort. The waterproofing membrane is robust and effectively prevents leaks, ensuring a durable shower system. The integrated drain system is designed for easy installation and efficient water drainage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.